Hello and welcome to this new lecture. Before beginning to learn about something new, I'll quickly paint the slab and cabinets in the kitchen. For the slab, I'll use marble stone as a material. And for the cabinets, instead of painting all the surfaces individually, I'll use Shift. You have to press it before applying paint. This way, you'll be able to paint all the connected faces in one stroke. So this completes our work in the kitchen. Now it's time to discuss the topic of this lecture. We'll learn how to set up the camera and views in SketchUp. Setting up views in SketchUp is useful and it saves a lot of time. You can access a camera from the camera menu at the top. Select Position Camera from the drop-down menu. Now press and then position the camera along the axis you want to see from. Then press again. Your view will be automatically shifted according to the camera position. To place the camera more precisely at your desired location, we can use the Line tool. Suppose that I want to place the camera in the lawn. I'll make a line starting from the stairs and extend it to the line. Then I'll select Position Camera and place it at the lawn end of the line. So we've placed the camera successfully at its required position. But now we need to adjust the height of the camera as well. To adjust the height, simply enter how high you want the camera to be. I need it to be 180 centimeters high, so I'll input it and press enter. The camera will move up. You can see an eye icon instead of the cursor. By holding down the left mouse button, you can look around by using this icon. You can only look around, you can't walk using this. To walk, right-click on the screen and select Walk from the drop-down menu. To walk, put the cursor in front of you and press and hold it for as long as you want to walk. You can also walk using the arrow keys on the keyboard. You can shift between walking and looking around by pressing the middle mouse button. Note that while in viewing mode, if you scroll or pan, you might disturb the viewing parameters and you'll need to reset them. See? The height of the camera is disturbed because we zoomed in earlier. We can adjust the height again by entering 180 centimeters again. Now, we look at the different fields of view of the camera. Field of view tells you how much you can see from your current position. It can be changed if you want to see more or less geometry from the same position, but it might not look realistic if you change this option drastically. It changes the perspective of how things look. You can change your field of view by entering any value you have in mind. Note that when you change the field of view, your position also changes. You can come back to the same position so that you'll be able to notice the differences more clearly. Another way of changing the field of view is to hold Shift and hold your left mouse button. Now, move the mouse front or back to change the field of view. If you don't want your position to be changed while changing the field of view, there's a way to do that as well. Right-click on the screen when you've selected the field of view option. Select the zoom option. Now press and hold Shift and move your mouse forwards or backwards while holding the left mouse button. The difference is very noticeable if you zoom too much. You may change your field of view according to the type of view that you want. You can also make animations in SketchUp using views. We'll discuss that in later lectures. And that's a wrap for today's lecture. Well done! And in the next one, we'll discuss some more functions of views and how we can use them. I'll see you then.